Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm going to show what is fill and how to use it. Let's get started. So first step, let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid. Add name, fill. And click OK. Then select this dot and change scale. OK. And let's go to FX preset and search fill effect. Select this fill effect from generate folder and let's use for this solid. Okay, and go to FX control. If you not see here, go to window and enable FX presets or control 5. Then we can change here color. Let's click this red icon and change color here. Let's select this purple, click OK. Then we can use this invert. For use this, go to shape layers, select this ellipse tool and let's make one ellipse. Okay, click selection tool, then click this invert checkbox and we can see result. Okay, we can change like this. And again click this icon for change shape figure. Okay, then go to again shape layers, select this random wrenchel tool. Let's add one here and one here and here. Then go to here, click all mask, and when we click invert we can see these shape layers. And we can change horizontal feather like this. Let's click selection tool and let's see zoom object. Okay, we can change here like this. Nice. And let's change horizontal feather 0 and we can change again vertical feather. Let's try. Okay, nice. Let's change vertical feather 100 and horizontal feather 100. Okay, nice. Let's change again 0 and we can change again here opacity. Let's see. Okay, this is easy. And when we change opacity 0 we can see only default solid layer. Okay, let's change opacity 100. Also, we can make animation with fill. Let's go to first second and make color keyframe and go to here, press U for see keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard and go to click this color. Let's change red or pink, click OK. Go to again 10 keyframe, go to color, change color green, click OK. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's go to again 10 keyframe. Let's select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and press N in the keyboard for loop animation. Let's see. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and follow me on Instagram. Good luck.